Fatty liver disease is becoming increasingly common, affecting around 25% of people worldwide. It's a condition where excess fat accumulates in the liver, and if left untreated, it can lead to serious health problems such as liver inflammation, scarring, and even liver failure. But the good news is that there are effective ways to prevent and reverse fatty liver disease. In today's video, we will discuss the top 10 evidence-based strategies to heal a fatty liver, from lifestyle changes to dietary modifications and supplements. So whether you've been diagnosed with fatty liver disease or want to take preventive measures, stay tuned to discover the best ways to heal a fatty liver. Number 1. Reduce alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol consumption is a leading cause of fatty liver disease, which occurs when fat accumulates in the liver. The liver is responsible for processing and breaking down nutrients, including alcohol. However, when alcohol intake exceeds the liver's processing capacity, it begins to store the excess alcohol in the form of fat. Limiting or avoiding alcohol is an effective way to prevent and reverse fatty liver disease. If you're experiencing symptoms of fatty liver disease or have been diagnosed with the condition, it's essential to reduce or eliminate alcohol intake as part of your treatment plan. Making lifestyle changes such as consuming a healthy diet, maintaining a healthy weight, and engaging in regular exercise can also help to reverse the effects of fatty liver disease. Before we move on, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you find our videos helpful, please support us by becoming a patron. Number 2. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise can have significant benefits for individuals with fatty liver disease. Research shows that regular exercise can reduce liver fat, improve liver function, and even reverse the damage caused by fatty liver disease. In addition, regular exercise can aid in weight loss, which is a crucial factor in managing fatty liver disease. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking or cycling, on most days of the week. Resistance training can also be beneficial as it helps build muscle and improve insulin sensitivity. It is always important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting a new exercise program, especially if you have any underlying medical conditions. Number 3. Eat a healthy diet. A balanced diet that includes whole, nutrient-dense foods can be very effective in managing and reversing fatty liver disease. On the other hand, frequent consumption of processed and high-sugar foods are linked to increased liver fat and inflammation, and should be limited or avoided altogether. Instead, focus on incorporating fiber-rich foods such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables to improve gut health and promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Healthy fats, such as those found in nuts, seeds, and fatty fish, can also help reduce liver fat and inflammation. Additionally, drinking plenty of water and avoiding sugary drinks can further support a healthy liver. Number 4. Weight loss. Obesity is one of the primary risk factors for fatty liver disease, making weight loss a crucial component of treatment. A healthy diet and regular exercise can help reduce excess weight, which can in turn help reduce liver fat and improve liver function. Adopting healthy habits, such as avoiding processed and high-sugar foods, and engaging in regular physical activity can help you lose weight, leading to a lower risk of developing fatty liver disease. In addition to diet and exercise, it's also important to monitor other risk factors, such as diabetes and high cholesterol, as these can contribute to the development of fatty liver disease. By addressing these risk factors and making positive lifestyle changes, you can significantly improve your liver health and reduce the risk of developing more serious liver conditions. Number 5. Manage diabetes. Fatty liver disease is often associated with diabetes, and high blood sugar levels can damage the liver over time. Therefore, it is crucial to manage blood sugar levels to prevent or reverse the development of fatty liver disease. This can be achieved through a combination of medication, healthy diet, and regular exercise. Maintaining a healthy diet that is low in processed and high-sugar foods can help regulate blood sugar levels, as well as incorporating regular exercise into your routine. Your doctor may also prescribe medication to help manage blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of developing complications associated with diabetes. By effectively managing blood sugar levels, you can help prevent the progression of fatty liver disease and improve liver function. Number 6. Reduce your intake of saturated and trans fats. Saturated and trans fats are known to be particularly harmful to the liver, as they contribute to the accumulation of fat in liver cells. Therefore, reducing your intake of these unhealthy fats can play a significant role in preventing and reversing fatty liver disease. These fats are commonly found in foods such as fried foods, processed meats, high-fat dairy products, and baked goods. Instead, try incorporating healthy fats, such as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats found in foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, fatty fish, and olive oil. By making these small changes to your diet, you can help protect your liver and improve your overall health. Number 7. Avoid processed foods. Eating a diet that is high in processed foods can increase the risk of developing fatty liver disease. Processed foods are often high in sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats, which can contribute to inflammation and insulin resistance, leading to fat accumulation in the liver. It's important to limit the consumption of these foods and choose whole, unprocessed foods instead. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins are all great options for a healthy diet that can help prevent and reverse fatty liver disease. Additionally, cooking at home and avoiding fast food and convenience meals can help you have more control over the ingredients you consume and ensure a healthier diet. Number 8. Drink green tea. Green tea has been found to have numerous health benefits, including its potential to improve liver function and reduce liver fat. The antioxidants present in green tea can help protect liver cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. Moreover, green tea contains certain compounds that have been found to reduce the accumulation of fat in the liver, leading to a lower risk of developing fatty liver disease. While more research is needed to determine the optimal amount of green tea required for these benefits, incorporating green tea into your daily routine can still be a healthy choice for your liver and overall health. Number 9. Get enough sleep. Getting enough quality sleep is crucially important for overall health, including liver health. Chronic sleep deprivation can lead to insulin resistance, which is a risk factor for fatty liver disease. It can also contribute to inflammation, oxidative stress, and metabolic dysregulation, all of which can damage the liver. Getting at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night can help regulate hormones and reduce stress on the liver, allowing it to function optimally. In addition to getting enough sleep, maintaining a consistent sleep schedule and practicing good sleep hygiene can also support liver health. Number 10. Dietary supplements. While diet and exercise are the mainstays for preventing and reversing fatty liver disease, some supplements may also offer benefits. Milk thistle, for example, has been shown to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects on the liver, which may help to reduce liver damage and improve liver function. Similarly, vitamin E has also been found to have protective effects on the liver in some studies. However, it's important to talk to your doctor before taking any supplements, as they can interact with certain medications and have potential side effects. Additionally, not all supplements are regulated by the FDA, so it's important to do your research and choose reputable brands. If you or someone you know is struggling with fatty liver disease, these tips can make a significant difference in your overall health and well-being. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is key to managing this condition and preventing further damage to your liver. Thank you for watching and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.